Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply apply for social security number in Portugal. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further ado, let's get into it. So for that matter, the very first step would be simply for you to go to your browser and type in ePortugal.gov.pt and you will get into the official website over here. So here in this section, as you can see, once you land on the official website, all you have to do is go to this search bar on top and type in security number. You can see social security number. You will find even in the search section. Go ahead, tap on it, and now you will get this kind of interface where you will find various type of articles. You can even choose to filter it according to news. So since you would like to apply for it, all you have to do is we're simply going on top and tap on this apply for social security identification number, aka NISS. Here in this section, all you have to do is simply again scroll down to the bottom, read this article properly so it will become handy to you. And here at bottom you will find this option of online request at a location. If you want to do it online, all you have to do is choose this and tap on this request NISS, and right over here, first of all, change your language preference according to your need, and I would change it to English so it can be easy for everybody. And right now over here, simply go ahead, scroll down, enter the information as it asks for. First of all, your name, your surname, for name of parents, surname, again the name of the parents, and date of birth, again country of birth, place of birth. Simply fill all of the information as it has asked over here for you to confirm it. Once you're done, simply add in the file over there as well. Simply confirm it, tap on this I'm not robot to verify yourself, and simply tap on this apply, and then you will be able to simply apply for it online. And when they have the information that you have added on top, you will get notified regarding that when it's ready. Make sure to follow all of the prompt as it asks here in the website, so you won't be able to have any loopholes in your application. Make sure to do that and you will be done. So and that is simply the way for you to do so. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.